This is your son.
Fossey, this is your boy.
Get in the box. Luna.
We pamper to all of our mamas, don't we? Yeah, whatever mama wants. Yeah.
Dior! What you going through?
Ready to give him Spike the business.
Why you're not helping her? She need help.
As soon as she sees her man, she's gonna run out there and she's gonna abandon her children. Look at her. Whoa!
When I say I feed her in here because she won't allow me to feed her without her puppies. So I come back to check on her. And look at this.
Do you love all the attention?